the ever-expanding landscape of family-oriented SUVs, the quest for an affordable yet feature-rich vehicle with third-row seating becomes a pivotal consideration for households with growing members or those who frequently embark on journeys with extended family and friends. This comprehensive exploration delves into the realm of practicality, style, and functionality, presenting an in-depth analysis of 10 affordable family SUVs equipped with the coveted third-row seating. Before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. Chevrolet Traverse. The Chevrolet Traverse stands out as an exceptional family-oriented SUV that seamlessly combines affordability with spacious three-row seating. Catering to the needs of larger families, this vehicle accommodates up to 8 passengers comfortably. Its exterior design exudes a modern and stylish aesthetic, while the well-thought-out interior ensures a harmonious balance between functionality and visual appeal. The Traverse is equipped with advanced safety features, offering peace of mind to safety-conscious families. Additionally, the user-friendly infotainment system contributes to an enjoyable and connected driving experience, making it a compelling option for those seeking comfort, safety, and modern technology without breaking the bank. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot is a stalwart in the realm of family SUVs, renowned for its reliability and practicality. Beyond merely offering a versatile third-row seating option, the Pilot excels in providing a thoughtful and well-designed interior that caters to the comfort of all passengers across its 3 rows. The strong safety ratings further solidify its appeal for families prioritizing security. Notably, the fuel efficiency of the Honda Pilot adds an economical facet to its overall value proposition, making it an enduring choice for families seeking a reliable, spacious, and economically sensible SUV. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander asserts itself as a well-rounded family SUV that seamlessly blends comfort, efficiency, and reliability. With a third row that effortlessly accommodates passengers, this SUV caters to the demands of family life. The interior is designed for maximum legroom, ensuring a comfortable journey for all occupants. Beyond its spaciousness, the Highlander boasts a smooth ride and impressive cargo space, making it an enticing option for families who value affordability without compromising on quality and versatility. Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento stands out as an appealing and budget-friendly option for families in search of a third-row SUV. Recognized for its robust warranty coverage and user-friendly tech features, the Sorento provides a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. The interior is well appointed, reflecting a thoughtful design that prioritizes both style and functionality. This mid-size SUV's popularity is further augmented by its value-driven proposition, making it an attractive choice for families seeking affordability without sacrificing modern features and comfort. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer, a long-standing fixture in the SUV market, continues to impress with its latest iterations, offering a spacious third-row seat and an array of family-friendly features. Boasting various engine options and available tech upgrades, the Explorer caters to diverse family needs. Its towing capacity and off-road capabilities add an extra layer of versatility, making it a compelling choice for families seeking an affordable SUV that doesn't compromise on performance, space, or modern features. Nissan Pathfinder. The Nissan Pathfinder emerges as a well-rounded family SUV, featuring a flexible third-row seat that folds flat to provide additional cargo space as needed. Beyond its functional design, the Pathfinder excels in areas such as strong towing capacity and a comfortable interior, making it well-suited for family adventures. Advanced safety features and an intuitive infotainment system further enhance its appeal, positioning the Pathfinder as a reliable and affordable choice for families seeking a harmonious blend of practicality and modern convenience. Hyundai Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade stands out in the crowded SUV market by offering a stylish and well-equipped 3-row option at an attractive price point. Recognized for its upscale interior and user-friendly technology, the Palisade delivers an excellent value proposition for families. Safety features, including a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, contribute to its reliability, assuring families of their loved ones' well-being. The Palisade's premium feel and thoughtful design make it a compelling choice for those seeking an affordable SUV that doesn't compromise on comfort or sophistication. Mitsubishi Outlander. The Mitsubishi Outlander, an affordable SUV with a surprisingly spacious third-row seat, adds a touch of practicality and style to the mid-size SUV segment. Beyond its distinctive design, the Outlander offers a smooth ride, making it an appealing option for families on a budget. The fuel efficiency of the Outlander further enhances its attractiveness, contributing to lower overall ownership costs. Families can expect a well-rounded experience that balances affordability with style and functionality, making the Outlander a noteworthy choice in the competitive SUV market. Dodge Journey. The Dodge Journey stands as a testament to practicality and budget friendliness, catering to larger families seeking a 3-row SUV without breaking the bank. While it may not boast the latest technological advancements, the Journey provides a straightforward and no-nonsense approach to meeting family needs. Ample storage space and affordability are key highlights, making it an accessible option for families looking for value without compromising on essential features. The Dodge Journey remains a pragmatic choice, offering a balance between affordability and functionality for families on a tighter budget. GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia, a mid-size SUV, offers a comfortable third-row seat without sacrificing style or functionality. Its premium feel extends to the interior, creating a luxurious atmosphere at an affordable price point. The Acadia stands out with an array of available features that contribute to its well-rounded appeal. Families can enjoy a smooth ride, ample cargo space, and a touch of sophistication, making the Acadia a compelling choice for those seeking a balance between affordability and premium features in their family SUV. In conclusion, the world of affordable family SUVs with third-row seating offers a diverse array of options, each bringing its unique blend of practicality, style, and comfort to the forefront. Families today are fortunate to have a range of choices that cater to their specific needs, be it spacious interiors, advanced safety features, or modern technology. As we've explored these vehicles, it becomes evident that manufacturers are committed to striking a delicate balance between affordability and the essential elements that make an SUV truly family-friendly. In this dynamic landscape, automotive innovations continue to redefine the expectations for family SUVs, promising a future where families can embark on their journeys with confidence, knowing that affordability need not come at the expense of safety, style, or functionality. As technology advances and consumer demands evolve, the market for affordable family SUVs is poised to bring forth even more compelling options, enhancing the driving experience for families across the spectrum.